Welcome to the Dental Smart Market, the digital platform of the imes-icore group. In this video, let's have a closer look at account creation and the management of permissions. To participate in all modules of the DSM, it is best if you first create an account. It is easy because there are only a few steps required. I don't want to bore you with the general registering process, but in fact, it is all what is needed. So let's speed up a little and you see it is really not complicated. Please register an impersonal generic email address of your company as it will be used in the sense of an admin. Email addresses with personal names may become invalid over time and are not well suitable for registering with your organization. After you have entered your company's address data, you are considered an organization. Now you can use the modules of the DSM.